Okay, so we've got a 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrack PX Mark III, 60,000 kilometres in the metallic grey. Got the tow bar, got the roller cover for the tray, running 4 Cooper all-terrain tyres. Only done 60,000, it's quite low for the age. It is the 2-litre bi-turbo, front and rear parking sensors, camera. Just a beautiful truck, this one. We'll take a look at the interior as well. So we've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your kilometres there, 60,000 just ticked over. A big colour screen, sat nav, dual zone climate air, all your different off-road modes, 4-wheel drive of course, automatic, leather interior. Gee, that's all in excellent condition as well. Front passenger just as good. Logbooks, good service history. There are 2 keys. And there's your back seat there, all looking brand new as well. All inquiries welcome, please give us a call.